Today we're unboxing the Casio G-Shock GMW-BZ5000GD-9, a full metal G-Shock with an unmistakable gold finish. Make sure to watch until the end for a special discount code. Inside the box you'll find the original G-Shock packaging, along with the official international warranty card. The reference number is GMW-BZ5000GD-9, and this model belongs to the iconic full metal G-Shock lineup. It features the classic square G-Shock design, crafted entirely from stainless steel with a gold ion-plated finish. The case measures 49.3 by 43.6 millimeters and has a thickness of 13 millimeters. This watch is powered by tough solar and features multi-band 6 radio control, Bluetooth connectivity, world time, stopwatch, timer, alarms, and more. This is how the watch looks on my wrist. It feels solid and premium, with a real sense of weight and presence. And once again, this is how the watch looks on my wrist outdoors, in natural daylight where the gold finish really stands out. Personally, I think this watch looks incredible. A bold, iconic G-Shock that perfectly blends toughness with luxury.
Thank you guys so much for unboxing this watch with us. And if you're interested in this watch, the link is down below in the description. And we have a discount of 10% off with discount code 20K. We ship worldwide and the watch will arrive within a few days. Thank you.